Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your portfolio on the FTX app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the FTX app, then go to the track section, and here you will have to tap on the settings icon on the top of the screen, and the track settings are going to pop up, and then you have to tap on the portfolios and open your portfolio by tapping on it. And from here you can set up your portfolio. You can choose the color of the portfolio on the top, then you can set it to main, set the name of the portfolio. Right now it's set to main portfolio. You can set the default currency for your portfolio, and you can choose from all the available currencies on the app. Then you can set the exchange accounts, and here you can add connections to your portfolio. You can connect different accounts and wallets. You can also turn on these two switches. The first one is hide small balances and hide zero balances, and you can also duplicate your portfolio. So that's pretty much it, how you can set up your portfolio on the FTX wallet. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.